Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're making turkey meatloaf. So I have here 1 pound of ground turkey meat, and to that I'm gonna add like just about a quarter cup of breadcrumbs and like a half a teaspoon of onion powder and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Black pepper, yeah, just about a half a teaspoon also, and all-purpose seasoning, just a little. Yeah, also a half a teaspoon. Then we have 1 egg. Alrighty. Now to this, I have 1 onion, actually half of an onion, which we're going to blend up. 1 clove of garlic, 1 stalk of celery. Put them up. Because we want it to be tasty, really tasty. And then we have just about a half of a small green bell pepper. Here we go. I'm gonna make a little noise, not too much. That's my oven going off. It's preheated at 360. Okay, now we have everything. Now if you find big pieces in here, just take it out. That's all. Because we want it to look really nice. We want small, nice pieces. Put that aside. Take this out. There we go. All this nice stuff that will be going in here. Now, a turkey meatloaf can be eaten any time of the year. Let's blend this all together. Once everything is incorporated, I have my dish. That I'm gonna put it in. Now you don't want to mix this up too much just because you don't want it to be too hard. You just want to bring everything together. Let me bring this over. Bring my dish over. But you want to make sure everything is completely blended in. Here we go. This is just 1 pound of turkey. Here we go. And then I sprayed my pan already, so make a nice little loaf. Press it down so it cooks evenly. Now, the sauce that I put on top, I make my own sauce. So here we go. It's a small can of tomato sauce, 2 teaspoons of tomato paste, because you want it to be really thick and rich on top of it. You can put a little black pepper in here, a little onion powder. You know, it's just about a half a teaspoon, nothing too much. Just about a half a teaspoon. And a little Italian seasoning, just a pinch of oregano, and a tablespoon of sugar. And mix this up, all up. And then you're gonna put it on top. I'm just making sure my meatloaf is even. And so here you have a really nice sauce that goes on top. I'm just making sure that the tomato paste is really mixed up. And here we go. Look at that. Isn't that a beauty? Now you're gonna make this in the oven. You're gonna bake it for 45 minutes at 360 degrees. Okay? See you guys back in a minute when it's finished. Thanks for watching.